Hello traders, welcome back for daily lesson of Bank Nifty and Nifty. This is the chart of Bank Nifty 1 hour time frame and the same chart I shared you on the Friday. If you remember yesterday I told you that this box is not acting as resistance for next day because see this is the black arrow showing you the 1 day whole movement and the second day whole movement. These two arrows are showing you the 2 days movement. Okay, I have already told you on the Friday video or even on the Monday also that this line, if it is crossed in the both time frames, then you will see the up move. Friday, this is the movement of the Monday. You see Monday price could not fulfill the taken out condition and the box reacted so strongly that price could not go out. And the second day, that is the Tuesday, the price tried whole day to fulfill this condition, but the price could not fulfill that condition. Okay, so this is the 2 days price could not fulfill the taken out condition. But in yesterday video I told you that now I am not comfortable with this box till yesterday afternoon. I was bit confident that price would move down, but after 2 o'clock when price could not move down, immediately I changed my sentiments and I shared yesterday also that today I am seeing either a gap up opening or a gap down opening, and whatever the direction the gap will form, I will go in that direction. That particular sentence I used in yesterday's video also. So you see, this is the gap up opening, and price crossed uh, this restriction, ठीक है, this territory, and the very first candle is eligible for the breach candle. Okay, this one candle is eligible for the breach of the candle. All these candles are not breaching candles, though they the candles tried their best to breach this territory, but I will not consider these candles as a breach candle. The breach candle means at least half of the candle should come out from the line. Okay, so here the complete candle came out from the line, so that is the eligibility of breached candle. Now the you see, after the second hour, price could not cross this candle, but on the third hour price crossed it, and you see thereafter a momentum, thereafter a momentum. So condition is very much clear. Price has to take out in both time frames. Aggressive trader will consider the 50-minute time frame, and uh, the safe traders who want the safe trade, they will consider 1 hour time frame. So this 1 hour time frame candle, first candle is eligible, and third candle actually breached, actually activated this condition. Till here, first and second candle, the condition was not activated. Please don't think the price crossed it and closed this candle above, the condition got activated. No, not like that. The condition will activate only when the breach candle, uh, the breach candle and the next candle will close above the breach candle. Only that at that particular point, the condition will be activated. Okay, so this candle, the third one, the third hour candle actually activated the condition. But now you see, when this sort of scenario comes in trading, it is really impossible, it is really very tough to put stop loss, because if you put the stop loss at this candle low, then it would be expensive. So uh, what should be done here? Since last 2 days the price could not close, could not take out this taken out condition. So this day, when you felt the gap up opening, it means you should keep your stop loss in the first 15 minutes. That would be a little bit risky, but not the big risk. If you'll keep your stop loss in the first 15-minute condition, when the price fulfill the condition, that would be more suitable, that would be more easy, because the risk reward ratio is that time good. If you see, if you wait for the 3 hours, then the distance traveled by the price is more, so it would be expensive. So my recommendation is, when this sort of scenario comes after 2 days of consolidation, it means the success chances are more than these 2 days. So at that time you should consider the 15-minute chart time frame. Now, the momentum. See, whenever why I said the condition activated on the third candle, because after this activation, you see the momentum of the price for 2 hours. The momentum of price was maintained for 2 hours. That is the main reason why I said this is actual this condition got activated here. So you understood it now, how the taken out condition gets activated. It's now clear. I gave you sufficient summary, sufficient detail on this. Now come to second chart, that is of first I start with the Nifty. This is the chart of Nifty. This is also the 1 hour chart. I shared this chart on Friday and told uh, this condition: if red line is taken out, then you will see price moving upward. That I shared with you on Friday. Now see, the price opened gap up, and thereafter, when after fulfilling the condition in second candle, thereafter you saw the momentum. This is the momentum. In the case of Nifty, the second condition fulfilled this 1 hour condition. After that you saw this momentum. Just feel uh, the depth of my analysis, my marking. Only two lines I made, and two lines are the real picture of 3 days. Price did not move anywhere apart from these two lines, and when it moved upside, the I have already shared the condition also. So every step, whatever you see on the chart, I have already manifested on Friday, 4 days before the actual event. Or this has been continuously proving in every video of mine, in every blog of mine. Not for this day, for last 6 months. Mind it, for last 6 months. See, that is called the accuracy of chart analysis. Have you ever seen anywhere else this sort of accuracy? Proving continuously, not even one day failed. You will see the people giving uh, good analysis, but that will stand for 2 days, 3 days. After 2 days, after 3 days, when they will make new analysis, they will get disturbed. But in my case, I am continuously proving that whatever I mark here, you see later on. So this was the chart of Nifty also. Now uh, come to intraday trading setup. Let us discuss this setup. This is the 5-minute charts for new viewers. Uh, I would share that if you want to do intraday trading, then you have to use only the 5-minute charts. Forget about any time frame of chart. You need not to waste your time on any other time frame. Just catch it, just catches the 5 minute time frame chart, because whatever you see on this 5 minute chart, the information is very informative, it's very accurate. So use only 5 minute chart with two things: one, support and resistance, and second, candlestick pattern. Three things are required for the intraday trading. You need not to go for any indicator. 180 plus indicators are available in market. Don't trade even a single indicator. uh, Many methods of analyzing chart like Gann theory, Elliott waves, volume profile, Fibonacci retracement, whatever the studies available in the market, you need not to touch these studies. Just go with two things: one, support and resistance, and second, candlestick pattern. If you have that knowledge, you can make money every day in intraday trade by this strategy, because this strategy came after the 15 years of my experience, and I am sharing gladly with you that I discovered it, and you see the performance of this strategy. Those who have been following me for last 6 months, they have already relished this performance. Now this is a time for the new viewers to relish this. See, the first candle started this side. See, on the left side of your chart, the first candle started from this point, and it was the bullish candle. The zone, this is a zone which was made yesterday. See, this is a zone the price made yesterday. Price took support of this zone, and here it made a support candles. It made two support candle. It is clear. First, it took support from this zone and made a bullish candle. Second, this circle, the white circle showing you the support candles. Both candle made a support. Uh, this is the, I tell you, this is the tweezer bottom. It's the pattern like the tweezer bottom. So this is the area where you should go long, because the first support is tested by the second one and made a very good pattern. So this is the first area, entry number one. I have already told in every video that in this analysis of 5 minute chart, you'll get three opportunities maximum and minimum one opportunity to make money. Today here you got only one opportunity to make money, entry number one, and uh, it moved from this point to this. See, this entry number one is enough to make plenty of money today. You would have printed plenty of money by this entry had you done it properly. Now see the logic behind this. Every time I say, whenever you go for the entry, you need what you need two reasons, two logic to get into the trade. So first reason is, this is the zone which has been made by the price yesterday, and it has been tested several times. When price crossed it and took first candle as a support, and second pattern made here, it was totally confirmed that this support will not be broken by the price, and same happened. So it was a confident entry to move upside. uh, get your entry here and see the I mark the rectangle. This rectangle is little bit risky, because the pattern here, uh, that is tested two times and took the price down here. Now I circled in white. You see, this is the second circle, and here is the hammer candle. Had the hammer candle not been made here, then the price would have gone down, definitely down. But since this is the good support, the the buyers know that this is very good support, so confidently they came here and made this hammer candle supporting the price and took the price to this destination. This rectangle was really good setup for the downside. and it was made after this support to just to create fear among the traders. But real players know that this is the good support, so they made hammer here, and this hammer is the in fact the second entry could have been done here. This point, at this point, second entry could have been done here. Those who did not uh, take part in the first entry, they would have done the second entry here. Okay, now after this you see the price went to the sky. Now this is also a rectangle. This rectangle is showing you the information that this is the support created by the price in morning, and now this support has become this is the resistance created by the price in morning, and this resistance has become support. The rectangle is showing the form of support, the candles are showing support, supportive candles are all there, and they tested the support two times. After that, boom, price went rocket. So this is the first entry and only entry in this setup. Those who entered here, they would have earned a lot money today. So you see the magic of intraday trading. Every day I show you every bit of this trading, how one trades in this sort of setup. That is my initiative to all. I really want that the people who are unemployed, who are the educated people who are unemployed, they should get benefit from my study, so that they would also earn. Many of my followers are earning good money and they share every day on my group. So this is my motive, and I am doing this only for the you, so that you would be able to earn. You would be able to get into your trades very confidently. There should not be any uh, fear when you enter in your trades. I want everybody to trade beyond greed and fear. So this setup I developed in my 15 years of research, and I'm sharing with you. And I appeal to everybody who is viewing this, please share this setup to others also and like it, because the more you like, the more people would be able to see my site soon. That is my appeal to everyone who is watching it. And special appeal to my followers, share it to everybody, so that you should also be the part of my mission, that is to spread this knowledge and eradicate unemployment from my country. That is my main motive. That is why I'm making these videos. I'm taking uh, pain and taking out time for making these videos, and that will only be successful if you support me by liking this video and sharing it to the community. That's all for the day. Thank you very much watching this video. See you. Goodbye.